Well, I can't tell you how long it's been since I woke up to snowing in December. Haven't been in an area that did this in years. So it's kind of cool. Kind of soft snow. It ain't really nothing major, but it's getting a few inches up here. But it's more soft right now. No ice, just more of a soft, nice little snow. So just checking in, about to get ready to go run to the store real quick. Let my car warm up some, let my truck warm up some. But just wanted to tune in for a second, man. It's been a while since I actually experienced some snow. So I know I got family out there different places, man. Y'all get this all the time. Or some people that don't really get this. So either or, I'm going to show you what's going on here in OKC today. And it says it's supposed to be around for a little bit, so like we're going to be doing a lot of hurry up and going. Not moving too fast around here today. All gone.